In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Google Calendar in just 2 minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First, make your way to the Google Cloud platform, where we'll set up the necessary components to connect Google Calendar. It's essential to be logged into your Google account to proceed smoothly. Once you're there, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Easy to spot. Next, type in Google Calendar into the search bar and press enter. What we're doing here is locating the Google Calendar API, which is the bridge that connects n8n to Google Calendar. Once your search results load, click on the Google Calendar API. Now, this is where the magic begins. You'll want to click on the Enable button you see. Enabling this API allows other applications to interact with Google Calendar seamlessly. After enabling the API, navigate to the OAuth consent screen tab shown on the side menu. This is crucial because n8n will request permission to access your calendar on your behalf. You'll need to click on Edit App, which will allow you to configure the consent screen details to ensure everything is set up correctly. First up, type in a name for your application. Nothing too fancy, just something that'll help you identify it later on. Ensure you enter a support email address too. This is for administrative purposes. Once you have entered these details, click on Save and Continue. Moving forward, you'll see an option to add or remove scopes. While we won't be adding any scopes right now for this quick setup, knowing its location helps for more advanced configurations. The next step takes us to creating credentials. Find and select Create Credentials and continue by choosing API Key. You'll also want to specify the type as Web Application. This setup ensures that your configuration can securely handle authentication via the browser. Now, when prompted, input a name for the set of credentials you're creating. This keeps things organized, especially if you have multiple projects. To ensure everything links up perfectly, navigate over to n8n. You'll want to type in Google Calendar to access the node that connects with Google Calendar. Back on the API Manager, copy the redirect URI from n8n and paste it back in the appropriate field in Google Cloud. This URI is essential as it defines where Google should redirect you after a successful sign-in. Then, copy the client ID and client secret and return to n8n to paste them into their respective fields. These pieces of information allow n8n to authenticate with Google Calendar. Finally, to complete the setup, click on Sign In with Google on n8n, and there you have it. You've successfully connected n8n to Google Calendar. Your n8n workflows can now seamlessly interact with your Google Calendar, paving the way for endless automation possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.